Jose is an experienced technician working in LATAM's heavy equipment service department. John, like Jose, is an operator and does similar work in the United States, but they are employed by two different companies. Jose uses QPLUS products designed exclusively for CAD workshops, which are linked to its world-class ERP system. He knows all the parts that are due in the factory, and he also knows the location and status of those that have been received and QR tagged. John solely relies on his ERP. Jose and his supervisor perform quality control checks at any stage of the process, thanks to the QPLUS checklist capacity. The difference with John's company is that they can easily see which parts were used for a specific assembly task, the quality control checks for each part, and the fulfillment of working standards prior to each task. Jose, his supervisor, the procurement and quality staff, the forklift operators. Everyone has a clear view of how each repair is moving forward. In this way, the company does not experience delays due to errors or shortcomings, and their customers see the quality of the operation, thanks to the support of QPLUS. On the other side, everything is managed differently, at another speed and efficiency, as if the aim was precisely on another place. QPLUS, linked to your ERP with the focus on your workshop.